Hi everyone! I'm so excited to be back with another release from Syberia Design, and I will be sharing the entire release, and I'm so excited to have it all here to share with you. This video will be a part, not a part of, but I will have a link down below for a blog hop to celebrate the latest release, and yeah, you will find all of the information in the description box. But let's get into all of the goodies. So I will clear my desk here and we can look at all of the products. And by the way, this video isn't for everybody. I know that people not always like watching videos like this, but for me it's the best thing to just watch videos where people go over the latest release so that I can see every product and get an idea of how I can use them. Inspiration in cards is great, but this for me is the best way of looking at them. So here is a combination of products. We have the hot foiling plate. It says Happy New Year. It has this beautiful font, and we also have the coordinating dies if you like, but you can also use this standalone. So this will cut this out if you like, but it will also cut out with this die the separate pieces, so you have this. So here is a couple of options. You can use the hot foiling plate alone or this product alone, but you can also use them together. So I like that, and I love the font on this. Syberia has a lot of these beautiful fonts in this release. So we have the Noel. This is the same idea. So you have your hot foiling plate and the coordinating dies and the piece that is more intricate, so you can use that as a standalone as well. Super pretty. And we have one more that says Feliz Navidad. I actually have one more after this as well. So the hot foiling plate, the coordinating dies, standalone die as well. Love the little swirl here on the end, and yeah, really fancy. And the last one, so we got 4 in this one, is the Joy hot foiling plate, coordinating die, and you can see the Joy here on the back. So super sweet sentiments. I know I will be using those a lot. I really like them. Then we have a stamp set. So this stamp set is super adorable. It's these mouse, a tree, you have a couple of more mouses, a ladder, and some ornaments and candy canes, packages, some holy, is it called holy berries? I believe it is, a star, a cupcake, and so on. So you can see all of that. You can see how beautiful. You get some inspiration here on the back, how you can color this in really simply. And you also get the dies, and I believe this will cut out everything in this set, including the sentiments, and I just love that. And also I love that Syberia Design's dies comes disconnected, so you don't have to cut anywhere. I love that. And you can also see here between the ladders, like staircases or whatever it's called, I don't know, but you can see it cuts between them, so that is really nice. So super sweet. I just love the images from Syberia. They are always adorable. And I will not say in every release because I don't know that, but I believe in all the releases I have seen so far, there is this beautiful flower stamp with 4 products in a suite. So you have the hot foiling plate, look how beautiful that is. We have the coordinating dies, the stamp set, and the layering stencil. So 4 products that coordinates really nicely together. And I just love this. I think it's so beautiful. Midnight Blooms, this one is called. You can see how beautiful all of the layers here is when they are together. I believe you can use this alone as well if you just want to like use that. Here is the hot foiling plate. I love using these. Super beautiful. And then we have this one, and just this stamp here. I know it's not much, but I love using stamps like that on any type of card. So I know just that one, single one there, I would buy this entire stamp set for, because it's just one of those great things to have in your stash. So Happy New Year, all is calm, all is bright, wishing you peace and joy. Oh holy night, the stars are brightly shining, yes. Happy holidays, thinking of you. Today is a new day. Warm wishes. So really cute, and you have your coordinating die that will cut all of this out, including all of these teeny tiny pieces. So that is really amazing. I don't know what to do with all of those small pieces, but I bet it would be fun to have like shakers in a card or something like that. So this product line, I know you will be seeing a lot of projects sorry, from this one with me, because I love it. I think it's beautiful. And this is another really great one, Joyful Poinsettia die set. And you can see you have your layers here for your poinsettia. You have some garnish and some centerpieces. And look what you can create. It's really sweet. And I love that they show such a vibrant image for the back. It doesn't look like your traditional flower here, your traditional poinsettia. And I just love it. I think it's so fun. This makes me happy. I hope it makes you happy as well. And we have another really great one, Snowflake petals. Petals, right? Yeah. Cover plate die. So this is how it looks when it's all cut out. And yeah, the cover plates that Syberia has been coming out with has been really great. I love that they are so easy to cut. And what I mean about that is that I nearly never have to run them through many times or use extra shims or stuff like that. It could depend on the machine you're using, but I have been loving them, and I think they are just phenomenal to have as a subtle background. You can make this the show also, especially if you pair it with a sentiment like this. But I just love them. I think they are super beautiful, and this one is really, really nice. I can't wait to play with it. Then we have another standalone die set. We have the Magical Stars die and the Magical Stars hot foiling plate. So depending on the style you are creating, you can choose the hot foiling plates looking like this in gold, really pretty. Or you can just have the pieces cut out or cut into your paper. So you got a lot of versatility between these two sets. And to me, I could never pick one. I would pick them both because I would use them for totally different things. And yeah, this one is really, really nice for all of those things that you want to be shining through a paper. I can see myself using this a lot. And this one is just so simple to have on a card, and you will have your background already done for you. Both of these are really great. And then we have something that I'm really excited about. This is the Brilliant Brushed Hot Foiling Plate. I believe I didn't butcher that name too badly. And you can see what it does. It just creates all of these, I would call it fireworks, to your background. And of course I'm thinking New Year's card and stuff like that. So I can't wait to create something fun with this. And then we have a couple of stencils here, so I have 3 of them, and I will start with this one because that is the one I am most intrigued by. So in their latest release, Syberia's latest release, they had a die, maybe it's 2 releases ago, they had a stencil and then they had a coordinating dies for those parts, and this is the same one. So it's the Holiday Wreath and Branch stencil and die set. So you have your pieces to create this, and I don't know if the camera is picking up, but you can see you can create your big wreath, a wine, I would call that, sort of a branch wine, and you have 2 bows and a sentiment that says warm wishes, and you have the coordinating die, I believe, maybe not for that one. That's, yeah, you don't have the die for the sentiment, but you have it for the wine and the 2 bows and the wreath. So the only thing that don't have a coordinating die is the warm wishes. So that is also good to know. So super fun. Can't wait to play with that one as well. And then we have 2 stencils. We have this one, Frosty Lace. Looks like this. Good for techniques, good for a simple background. So many things come to mind what you can create with this. Can't wait to play with it. I hope you see the beauty of this. It's a simple stencil, I get it, but this is what I need in my stash to build my stash and to have on hand when I'm creating cards. You can do it in rainbow, you can do it for baby cards, you can do this for any occasion. I just love stuff like this. So I hope you can see the beauty and the way this is supposed to be used. Love it. And the last thing this is the Festive Fun, and it's a 2-piece stencil set, so you can combine them and create a confetti scene with a place for your sentiment. And you can of course just do one part if you like, just have it coming from the ceiling or the top, but you can also have it from the bottom, and I think that is really fun. You can also do it like this and have a strip going between them if you don't want it to be so noticeable that there is nothing here. But I love this. This is a perfect place for your sentiment to go. So yeah, that was it for the latest November release from Syberia. And as I said, there will be a blog hop today, there will be an Instagram hop, and I believe it will be a YouTube hop that I probably will participate in later on this month. So stay tuned, you can have the opportunity to win some goodies. Yeah, so hope you saw this video, hope you liked it, and until next time, have a great day. Bye!